Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC and transparency modes on your headphones Soundcore Space Q45. Basically you have a few options how to do it, so let's open the application. And now you have a special button called NS, and if you press one time, when you're in transparency mode, you will enable normal mode, and after that noise cancelling. And if you press one more, you will enable transparency mode. So you can swap between them with this button, or you can just click on the application and swapped here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.